My new book, which recently came out, is called as The Hot Belly Diet, and it's a best-selling book because it's written on a topic which is so relevant to modern day and age. It's all about eating the right food at the right time. So it's an age-old Ayurvedic concept of Agni and Ama, which is being described in this book in a very simple language for common Americans to understand, that we must learn how to respect our digestive capacity, what we call it as Agni. Because if you're eating the right foods at the right time, then you don't create that tissue sludge, what we call it as Ama, which creates multitudes of blockages and yuckiness in the system, which leads to a variety of different chronic diseases and imbalances. So I think even before we look at many chronic diseases, what we are finding is the obstruction to the flow of intelligence as the body tries to communicate to the cells and tissues is one of the main reasons. And I think that's the premise of the Hot Belly Diet. It's eating the right foods at the right time, respecting your digestive fire, keeping the channels free and clean and open for circulation. One of the most important things that I described in the book is frequent snacking. So when I tell to my patients, to my clients, to my students that the concept of hot belly diet is to fast in between your breakfast, lunch and dinner, not to eat anything. And that's a big thing at times, because I think that's a big misconception that you have to eat every couple of hours. There's no need, because you need to be rightfully hungry at the right time. So when you're not hungry at the right time, then you start creating that incomplete process of digestion, which leads to a cascade of different imbalances. So that's the first and the most important concept. The second important concept of this book is holy waters versus unholy waters. How do we select the right kind of fluids to drink when we are comparing hot water or herbal teas with caffeinated beverages and sodas and sugary drinks and sugary fruit juices and caffeinated beverages? Those are unholy waters. Those are empty calories, which creates a lot of challenges and problems. So drinking plain neutral pH hot water several times during the day is the best way to rekindle your digestive fire. And the third and the most important concept of this book is eating your evening meal or the last meal of the day before 6 o'clock. So it's a simple Ayurvedic concept. When the sun is rising in the morning, your breakfast should be light and easy to digest because it's a tender sunlight. When the sun is prominent in the middle of the day, it's nice and strong, so it should be the biggest meal of the day when you can handle and digest all those calories. And when the sun is setting in the evening, it has to be a bit lighter. And so if you eat that light meal in the evening, and then in about 3 to 4 hours before you sleep, that meal is completely digested, then you don't wake up feeling dull, heavy, groggy and congested. And these are three simple concepts and tenets of hot belly diet. And they are all being validated by modern medical research, and that's what we discuss in this book.